it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to sneak some extra hair, skin, and nail vitamins into your daily coffee without compromising the taste. Today's video is sponsored by Sollo Foods, and I'm going to be giving you all my review of their coffee pods that are great for your hair, skin, and nails. They're packed full of vital nutrients that you need to stop brittle hair and stop brittle nails and have glowing skin. So let's go ahead and get into these coffee pods. So these are their beauty purpose coffee pods. These fit into both the Keurig 1.0 and Keurig 2.0. Also, if you have a different coffee maker that accepts K-cups, then these will probably work for you as well if your coffee maker accepts the regular 1.0 or 2.0 Keurig K-cups. So these work the same as any other coffee pod, except these are actually full of vital vitamins and nutrients that you need, like biotin. Biotin has a bunch of uses for our body. It makes our hair stronger, it makes our nails stronger, and it can also aid with weight loss because it can help with your metabolism as well. The next vital nutrient in these coffee pods is collagen. If you're over 25, you honestly should be consuming collagen on a daily basis. I try to take collagen several times a day throughout my day because not only does it help with your skin elasticity and your hair, it also helps with your bones as well. So collagen is a vital nutrient that we all should be consuming daily. These coffee pods also have folic acid, and folic acid is responsible for healthy cell growth. So not only does that affect your hair, skin, and nails, it also affects your brain and your nervous system and your mental health as well. So folic acid is something great to take on a daily basis to help with that healthy cell renewal. These coffee pods also contain aloe vera, and aloe vera is known to be rich in antioxidants and vitamins. So all in all, these coffee pods have really great nutrients that you need, and a lot of us have a hard time taking vitamins every day. So if that's you, or you just want to boost what you're already doing without having to add in an extra step or an extra pill or anything of that nature, these are great. If you're a coffee drinker already, you're gonna love the taste of this coffee. It's very delicious. You don't taste the vitamins in the coffee. It just tastes like your regular delicious coffee. And the great thing is I drink my coffee black, and even I love the flavor of this. So you're not gonna have to worry about having to add extra stuff to it if you don't already. If you're a cream and sugar girl, go ahead with it. But the flavor on this coffee is really, really great. I also love the fact that these are available on Amazon, and I'll have the link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. But they're easily accessible, especially in times like this. I love products that I'm able to order from Amazon and get them very quickly and keep them in stock in my kitchen, in my home. So I highly recommend these particular coffee pods because these not only taste great, but they do something great for you. You want to make sure that you're drinking at least 2 cups a day. You can go up to 4 cups a day for maximum benefits. So definitely head over to Amazon now, click the link down below in the description box and pick up your coffee pods. Also, if you want to find out more information on Sollo Foods, you can head over to solowellness.com and read more information on their amazing line of products. So thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.